Viewers, today I am going to show you how to use same WhatsApp account in two different devices. Just my left one is the signed in WhatsApp account and right one is I am just installing it. After installing, when you ask for mobile number, click on the three dots right top, link the companion devices, then the QR code will be available, and from the WhatsApp account click link device. Now link a device, then press OK. After pressing OK, you will be able to scan the other device. After scanning, then you will be able to use your WhatsApp account in both devices. This is how you can use single WhatsApp account in multiple devices. It's really easy. From the primary device, just link a device, then scan the other device. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.